This video will show you how to change the filters on your SG2 WaterFed system. Changing your sediment carbon filter. Step 1. Unscrew the hose from the top. Step 2. Unscrew the wing nut. Step 3. Remove the old filter by lifting it. Step 4. Replace with the new filter. Step 5. Reattach the wing nut at the top. Step 6. Attach the hose at the top of the filter. Changing your DI filter. Step 1. Remove the pressure gauge from the top of the DI filter. Step 2. Unscrew the wing nut. Step 3. Unscrew the Y connector from the bottom of the filter. Step 4. Remove the old filter by lifting. Step 5. Replace with the new filter. Step 6. Reattach the wing nut. Step 7. Attach the Y connector to the bottom of the filter. Step 8. Attach the pressure gauge to the top of the DI filter. Changing the RO filter. Step 1. Open the RO valve to the fully open position. Step 2. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the locking wedge. Step 3. Remove the white snap ring. It's helpful to have pliers for this step. Step 4. Using the included T-wrench, remove the cap from the RO filter. Step 5. Remove the O-ring. Step 6. Remove the old RO membrane. It's easiest to have 2 sets of pliers for this step. Step 7. Apply a lubricant like Molykote to the top of the filter. We recommend that you wear gloves during this step. Step 8. Apply Molykote to the bottom as well. Step 9. Place the new RO filter into the housing. Step 10. Apply Molykote to the cap. Step 11. Put the O-ring on the cap and apply Molykote. Step 12. Insert the cap into the housing. Use a mallet to seat it firmly in place. Step 13. Insert the white snap ring back into the housing. Step 14. Reinsert the locking wedge.